What is a sitemap and what's the uses of sitemap when we use sitemap for our website, right? So hello, welcome back to my video, guys. So in the previous video we already discussed about the uh, can we use rank, can we use in our web page 2 to 3 keywords. This topic we already discussed in a previous video. We already discussed about how to write a perfect h1, and also we also discussed about how to write SEO friendly URLs, right? So these three topics we already discussed in the previous video. So in this video we will going to introduce the sitemap. What is the sitemap and what are the uses of the sitemap when you need the sitemap for your website, right? If you have a small website and you can say 10 to 15 pages website, so is your need to sitemap for your website. So we will discuss all this thing. Let's start the video, guys, right? First of all, we will discuss about this topic, which is the how how to do mobile friendliness and the responsive test, right? If you are a developer, right, and we can say if you are a WordPress developer for the website, right, and you want to create your website for the smaller device, right, and as well as a smaller device like the mobiles, tablets. So how you can test and how you do know how to how our website will perform in the smaller device, right? So there is a two things. First thing is a go to insets, right, in the website, right? If you are enter control plus u, it's directly open the incepts in the incepts of the website and manually check every proportion of the website sizes and the check each proportion size through using inspection and the mobile browser. So in the inspection there is a you can say option where which you can choose. There is a option for the uh, website manually check, right? So okay, inspection, this is the name of the option which you can use, right? And you can check how it's look in other devices. In the you can try to manually change each proportions. So this is the one thing. And also there is a website, right, where you can go, that's name is a www.google.test.mobile-friendly. So this is the website name which you can use, and you directly paste your URLs, your website where URLs, and directly you can check how it's perform in the small devices like the mobiles, right? So this is the second way to check your website for the mobile friendliness. Third thing is a Google search console. There is a also option mobile friendly, mobile usability, right? So which you can use. Okay, so there are the total 3 options to check your mobile usability, right? How it works in the mobile options in the small devices, right? So let's start the introduction of sitemap. What is a sitemap? So first thing is a sitemap is a file where you provide information about the pages, okay, videos and other files on your website, on your site, and the relationship between them. It means usually uh, the sitemap makes for the crawler, right? When crawler comes, uh, that is the first thing. Sitemap is the first thing which is the crawler thing. Sitemap is like the map, right, where you uh, put all the information about website, where is the location of the site pages, right, which is the page, which page is for what, right? This kind of the information we already prepare there is a single page URLs where are all the pages URL mentioned, right? And each URL, you also mention what the work of that particular URL and where is it, right? So this is a completely, you can say, a map, right? Let's assume if you ride a bike, right, and you don't know where to go, you have not any map, right? You just go anywhere and just check everything, right? But what if you have a map, a city map, where you can see where I have to go, where I should not go, right? So you clear to your goal, right? So this is the perfect example for the crawler, right? So crawler know about which page should I crawl and which page I should avoid to crawl, right? So sitemap helps to crawler to understand the better crawling, right? And the relationship also, sitemap also shows the relationship between the pages, between the URLs, right? So this is the thing. Why sitemap? This is the question. Usually first thing is a large website more useful. It's a sitemap more usable for the large website, right? You can say there are hundred of pages, thousand of pages, right? And the smaller sites, let's assume you have a website where just 5 to 6 pages, or we can say single pages. So you no need to sitemap, right? You need no need sitemap for your website. So avoid this thing. It's not necessary, right? And if you are creating your website through the WordPress automatically create a sitemap. If you are creating a short website like 10 to 15 pages, so it's a not needed sitemap, right? But other hand, if you have a long website, let's assume 500,000 pages are there, so there is a need to sitemap to uh, to provide the information for the crawler, right? So it's there is a needed. And okay, wait, where I was. Actually, I wait a moment, guys. Yeah, okay. First was long website more useful. Second is if the pages are isolated and not linked well to each other, right? If you are creating any website, any pages, writing any pages, right, and you are create some pages like isolated, they are not linked, connected with each other, right? So there is a uh, need to sitemap to provide the information about that isolated page, which is the not linked, not interlinked with the other pages, right? So there is a needed sitemap for get to provide the information about that particular isolated page, what is the page and why we are putting this page in our website. So how you can explain this? You can explain in the sitemap to crawler will understand that thing. Okay, so this is a website for that purpose, and I have to crawl this website, right? So this is the things. Third thing is your site has lot media content like image and video. Let's can say if you are having lots of videos and images in your website, let's assume you are create a website for the retail store. So in the retail store you need to use a heavy and the long size of the photos, videos, right? So e-commerce businesses website, there we can see there are the lots of images and the videos in their website. So there is a needed of sitemap to provide the information for the crawler, right? Okay, types of the sitemap. We also talk about the types of the sitemap. There are the two types. First is the XML and second is the HTML. So what are the different and what is the things in these two sitemap? First thing is the XML. XMLs make information machine readable. It's for the crawler, right? Sitemap normally we make for only crawler to understand the how to crawl our our site pages, and which pages you should crawl and which pages you should avoid. So the when we write the XML file, XML sitemap, this used for the machine readable thing, right? And where we only put the URLs and some codes, right? So it's for the crawler. And other hand, HTML makes the information for human readable, right? Where you just normally write where our other sites, where other pages, what purposes, right? What are the expect of the pages. So this is the thing. When you write the HTML sitemap, it's for the users, but mostly sitemap makes for the crawler, right? And okay, let's talk about how to create a sitemap and implement sitemap, right? First thing is a sitemap for the WordPress can be created usually plugins, right? You can directly use some plugins. There are the some Yoast plugin. It's the name of Yoast. There when you creating your website through the WordPress and using host, it's automatically create your sitemap for your website, right? So no need to worry about for the sitemap in while using WordPress. But in the other hand, if you are using PHP, HTML, other source of coding, like we can say other method of the making website, so there is a some website where you can generate your sitemap, right? And usually most of the custom developer who developing that website, they already know about the sitemap is needed or not for that particular website. If you are they are creating a long website, so there is a needed to sitemap. But in the other hand, if you are not creating a long website, if you are creating just 10 to 15 pages website, so there is a not need to create sitemap for the core or for the users, right? So in this video we discussed about the sitemap, right? How to write sitemap and what is the things and what is the factor to write the sitemap, and what is the things where we should write a sitemap for the website and where we should not to write the sitemap, right? And we also discussed about the mobile friendly or mobile friendliness responsive test, how you can do that, right? In the other video, next video, we will talk about the robot.txt file. What is the robot.txt file and what's the uses of that robot.txt files, right? So in this video, this much guys, and we will talk this topic in another video. I hope you really like my video. If you are like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Bye guys.